Hello all. Today Professor Argan will discuss about non-aqueous titration, and through that we all can understand the necessity of non-aqueous titration in analytical chemistry. Let's begin our journey. So what is non-aqueous titration? Non-aqueous titration is a titration which is performed in absence of aqueous medium or water. So the solvent used in non-aqueous titration is anything other than water. So what is the basic principle of this titration? It is quite similar as the aqueous titration, that is, substance is dissolved in the solvent and the solvent is non-aqueous in nature and titrated using acid or base which is required according to the substance dissolved. So why do we need non-aqueous titration? So basically, if the reaction is carried out in a non-aqueous medium, we need it. Extensively used for organic acid and bases. Here number of solvents are listed which can be used in non-aqueous titration. Check it out. These are some examples of titrants which can be used in non-aqueous titration. Two methods are used for non-aqueous titration. One is potentiometric, another one is colorimetric titration. Here, the general method of determination of any kind of acids or bases in non-aqueous titration is elaborated. Please check this out. Here, the discussion of advantages of non-aqueous titration is elaborated. And definitely don't forget to go through the checklist before going to start any kind of non-aqueous titration. And here is the checklist for you. Today's brief discussion on non-aqueous titration is over. Hopefully we all get a basic idea about it and definitely prepare to check out any non-aqueous titration in lab. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.